Today we are looking at a revolutionary new AI tool from Google's labs. We're talking about Nano Banana, a brand new release from Google that is expected to take image editing to the next level. The reason why it is set to take the AI image generator industry by storm is because of its ability to blend reality with AI. What exactly are able to do with this AI tool, and how exactly is it able to achieve this? Let's take a look at Nano Banana, the revolutionary new image editing AI tool. Multiple subjects in an image. Let's start off by looking at some of the features or the things that Nano Banana is able to do. One of the most impressive feats it is able to pull off is fixing multiple images in an image. While this is remarkable enough, what actually makes this AI tool stand out when it comes to this feature is how realistic the image looks. The nature of the composition in this image is so good that even the best trained eyes may not be able to determine if this is the product of AI or if this is a real photo with real subjects. Sometimes, the only way that people may be able to make this determination is if the subjects of the image are unlikely to be seen together. So, what would happen if you can't determine if an image is generated by AI or not because you aren't suspicious of the subjects in the image? Well, that just shows exactly how good Nano Banana is when it comes to generating these images. Different angles. Another remarkable capability of this AI tool can be seen when we look at the changing angles. When people managed to get their hands on Nano Banana, they were quick to tell us about how the AI tool is fantastic when it comes to changing camera angles. This is actually great, especially when you realize that you can actually test this theory out. Just take a look at the different images posted by this Twitter user. Both images are so good and so detailed that you cannot tell which one is the original photo. I mean, if you can, please let us know in the comments section. Until then, those without the untrained eye will probably say that they cannot determine which image is the original image out of the two. Some may think that the two images are different because the person in the image just moved when the two photos were taken. In view of that, it is fair to say that this is really an amazing tool to have at your disposal, especially if you are creative. Imagine having a tool that can rotate or change angles so well. It's almost as though no detail is compromised during the process of creating the altered duplicate. It's almost like something out of a science fiction movie. Indeed, the capabilities of this AI tool is almost endless. Photo restoration. Another reason this AI tool is set for glory when it finally hits the market properly is its photo restoration capabilities. I mean, think about it. How many online photo restoration tools have you used in the past? Do they restore images that are as good as the images that you see on the screen? Looking at the images, you can tell how Nano Banana is truly unique in the scene. It is one of the few ones that show minimal imperfections once it has processed an image. This is truly top tier because most of those online photo restoration tools always leave some sort of imperfection, be it a smudge or a blur. Looking at how proficient this AI tool is when it comes to image restoration, we must take a moment or two to think about how great this thing is in the sense that it almost blurs reality. I mean, of course it is restoring an old image, but what implications will it have when it comes to determining exactly what the output is? What do you guys think? Give us your thoughts in the comment section. Human composite. Next up, let's take a look at how this Nano Banana is able to carry out an amazing human composite. Just look at this image of President Donald Trump and this Twitter user. It actually stands out because looking at the image, you'd actually think that the person is in the same room as Donald Trump. Fascinating, right? Even when you look at the image, you'd find that although there is this whitewashed texture in the image, it actually looks like the real deal. Some people would actually wonder who this guy is because he was able to get in the same room as Donald Trump. This is because Trump's image is almost perfectly composed in the image. In fact, the only reason that you may be able to dismiss this as the real deal is that suspicion that we mentioned earlier. After all, if this was really Donald Trump, then where is his security delta? Where are the security guards? As such, this is actually so fantastic that we may now have to worry about how people use this AI tool online. Right now, that is a matter of politics and policy, so we won't touch too much on that right now. All we can say is that this is another reason you could say that this is a fantastic AI tool. Scene building. Let's touch on how testers have noticed that the AI is also fantastic when it comes to scene building. This is because of the high level of character consistency that the AI tool exhibits. They notice that when they move a character from one scene to the other, you can add or remove anything that you like from the character or the scene. This would be perfect for filmmakers because this allows for the production of films with multiple shots in record time. Let's go deeper into this consistency for a bit. From the images that we see on the screen, we can see how there are no mistakes when you move from the original scene to the next ones. There are no extra fingers or change in hair color. Let's also notice that the base image also remains consistent while remaining based in reality. Creators will truly love using this tool because it could help them take their production to the next level. The issue again here, especially as we look at several more samples, is that these images may be so good that we may have to be wary about the images that we come across on the internet in the future. With its ability to take as much details from the original image and imprint it onto the out with such details that both images look original, this may cause a headache for many people in the future. In fact, we aren't sure when or how such an issue may be resolved in the future. In fact, right now, the only way that we may be able to determine if an image is real or AI generated is by zooming in and looking at the texts. If it's AI generated, the texts are most likely to be blurred. We're not sure if this detail will be fixed at some point in the future, but for now, at least this may be a way to tell if you are looking at a real image or something that has been generated with the use of AI tools such as Nano Banana. The only issue is that most people may not take their time to carry out this test. Most times we just keep strolling. That said, we do know that Google does all it can to keep their standards up. As such, we may find ourselves in a situation where we will have access to these telltale signs for some time to come. That said, we can see why this AI tool is so fantastic. For some time, we have had AI imaging tools that show a lot of detail, but not up to this level. However, the development of Nano Banana by Google is pioneering. Now we will have to take the problem of determining the authenticity of an image seriously. With the ability to fix multiple subjects into an image with a level of composite and angle changes that makes it look as though the image is still real, there is every chance that we will have to worry about the authenticity of the images that we see online in the future. Sure, we can revel in the fact that we are able to come up with such a piece of technology. After all, it shows how far we have come in recent times. However, we must take care because of this future of uncertainty. Let's see what the future holds. But for now, we must say that Google has really pulled something off with the creation of Nano Banana.